He was the second of his three brothers and one sister. This legendary figure came of a very poor family. His father's name was Kaji Fakir Ahmed and mother's name was Jahida Khatun. His father died when he was only 8 years old. He had to give up studies and become Imam of a mosque. He had to struggle hard throughout his life. He had a great devotion for motherland. He inspired thousands of people to fight against the British. He wrote many patriotic songs. His poem Vitrohi inspired men and women in Bengal. He is considered one of the most influential figures in Bengali literature. His work continues to inspire, resonate with readers till today. My dear loving audience, this great man is the national poet of our neighbor country Bangladesh. This legendary figure left us on 29th August 1976 at Dhaka in Bangladesh. We all love him very much with great respect. Thank you everyone for listening to me. Have a good evening.
Our next speaker, Mr. D. Pishas, please come forward. Mr. D. Pishas, he is going to deliver a beautiful speech about our national hero, national poet Rabindranath Tagore. So please welcome by clapping.
Good evening to the respected principal and my dear friends. Myself, Nishas. I would like to give a small piece on Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is a great poet, patriot, composer, writer, painter, teacher. He was born on 2nd May 1861 in a Bengali community in Kolkata. He wrote many stories, poems, dramas, songs, and metaphors. He also wrote Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mano and Bangladesh national anthem Amar Shorar Bangla. He founded a Shantiniketan school, now which became university. Rabindranath Tagore became the first Asian to receive Nobel Prize in 1913 for Gitanjali. Rabindranath Tagore was died on 7th August 1941. His journey is celebrated on his birthday every year. Thank you everyone for listening me. Have a great evening.
শ্রদ্ধাভাজন অভিভাবকবৃন্দ, আমাদের খুব বেশি তাড়া না থাকলে আমরা শেষে কিন্তু একটু নাচ গান করবো। স্যারের নাচ দেখতে হলে শেষ পর্যন্ত থাকবে, বোর ফিল করবে না। খুব দূর থেকে আমার কিছু গুণী ছাত্রছাত্রী এসেছে, আমি তাদেরকে দ্রুততার সঙ্গে ডেকে নিয়ে ছেড়ে দিতে চাইছি। আর বাকিরা খুব কাছের আপনজন, আমরা একসঙ্গে খাওয়া দাওয়া করবো এবং শেষে একটু নাচ গান হবে। তবে অবশ্যই কালচার মেনটেন করে। আমাদের নিজেদের বক্তব্য হয়ে গেলে আমরা কিন্তু চলে যাব না, এই কারণে আমি কিন্তু টিফিনের ব্যবস্থাটাও শেষের দিকে রেখেছি, ঠিক আছে? আর আমি যদি চলে যাই তাহলে অন্যের বক্তব্য কে শুনবে? তারাও যদি চলে যায় তাহলে কেমন লাগবে নিজের বেলায়? অবশ্যই এই বিষয়টা কিন্তু মেনটেন করতে হবে, ঠিক আছে? এত সময় সিরিয়াস ছিলাম, এখন একটু হালকা হয়েছে। প্লিজ ডোন্ট মাইন্ড, টেক ইউর টাইম। After the Pishas, now I would like to request Mr. Shan Pishas. Please come forward. And please be ready, Chinmoy Pal. Chinmoy Pal may be absent. Okay. Then Kohili Ghosh. After Shan Pishas, now Mr. Shan Pishas. মিডিয়াম করে এটা আমাকে দিয়ে
writer, and a great musician. After all, he was a non-sectarian person, which is very important in our current situation. This philanthropist, the symbol of humanity, was born on 24th May in 1899 at Churlia in Bardhaman district. He was the second of three brothers and one sister. This legendary figure came of a very poor family. His father's name was Kazi Fokir Ahmed and mother's name was Zahida Khatun. His father died when he was only 8 years old. He had to give up his studies and become the imam of a mosque. He had to struggle hard throughout his life. He had a great devotion for motherland. He inspired thousands of people to fight against British. He wrote many patriotic songs. His poem Vidrohi inspired men and women in Bengal. My dear lovely audience, this great man is the national poet of our neighbor country Bangladesh. My dear honorable audience, this legendary figure left us on 29th August in 1976 at Dhaka in Bangladesh. We all remember him, as long as these Bengali people live in this Bengal. Thank you everyone for listening to me. Have a great evening. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much. Our next speaker, Uncle Sardar. Uncle Sardar may be absent. Khamoshi Sarkar, Aruna Sarkar, Kankana Vishwas, Prantik Sardar, Oyam Sikdar, Mardok Bhat. Oyam Sikdar, please come. Mr. Oyam Sikdar is going to deliver a beautiful speech about our great national poet Rabindranath Tagore. So please, are you ready? Let's start your beautiful speech.
Good evening, everyone, and my respected spoken English teacher, Mr. Shardul Roshan Mondol. A very pleasant good afternoon to all of, a very pleasant evening to all of you. First of all, let me introduce myself, because many of you don't know me. My name is Oyam Sikdar, a student of class 8 of Babjinagar High School. I am from a beautiful place named Babjinagar in Nadia district. My dear honorable audience, I am really glad and happy as well as grateful to all of you for giving me such a nice platform. Now, I would like to give a small speech on Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was one of the greatest poets in the world. He was born in a rich, cultured family in Kolkata on 7th May 1861. His father's name was Devendranath Thakur and mother was Sharda Devi. He did not like to go to school, so he also moved on. He published his first poem in 1944. Thank you everyone for listening.
বেশি না এই আমাদের 10 মিনিট সময় দিন সকলে বলতে পারে 10 মিনিট অপেক্ষা করুন 1 মিনিটের স্পিচ বেশি না তো সেই শিক্ষক দিবসের মতো লম্বা চড়া রাখিনি প্রত্যেকে স্পিকিং পাওয়ারটাকে ডেভেলপ করার জন্য এবং তাদের কনফিডেন্স লেভেলটাকে বিল্ড আপ করার জন্য মূলত আমাদের এই অনুষ্ঠান Our next speaker, Mr. Bintu Majumdar. Please come forward. Aditya Roy, you will be ready for your lovely speech.
Good evening everyone and my dear friends. My name is Bintu Majumdar. I would like to give a small speech on Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a great poet, patriot, painter, writer and a great teacher. He was born on 7th May 1861 in a Bengal family in Kolkata. He wrote many stories, poems, novels, dramas, songs and hymns. He also wrote English national anthem, Janaganamana and Bangladesh national anthem, Amashunar. He founded Shantiniketan School, now which became a university. Rabindranath Tagore, first Muslim who won Nobel Prize in 1913 for Githanjali. Rabindranath Tagore died on 7th August 1941. His birthday is celebrated on his birthday every year. Thank you everyone for listening to me. Have a nice day.
Our next speaker, Mr. Arnav Vishwas. Please come forward. Aditya, please wait. Next, Savarna Vishwas, very talented, very. This good looking. Savarna, you will be ready for your space. At this moment, Mr. Arnav Vishwas.
Good evening, everyone. I am Arnav Vishwas, a student of class 4. Rabindranath Tagore is our national poet. He was born on 7th May in 1861 at Sago in Kolkata. His father's name was Rabindranath Tagore. His mother's name was Sharda Devi. He wrote the
Thank you very so much, please. Next, Mr. Kalai Devi. এরা কিন্তু বিকালে এরা একটু নার্ভাস ফিল করবে কারণ এদের স্টেজটা প্রথম দিকে স্টুডেন্টরা তবে যদিও খুব কনফিডেন্স লেভেলটা সবসময় এরা আয়ত্ত করতে পেরেছে এটা দেখে ভীষণ ভালো লাগে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ কর্ণবের অভিভাবককে Our next speaker Savarna Vishwas, please come forward. Next, Anubhav Vishwas. Savarna, you should have been ready. You don't utilize your time properly.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A very pleasant good evening to all of you. My dear honorable parents and my dear loving friends. After the parents meeting, today we are celebrating Rabindranath School Shraddha. So in this proud moment, I would like to say something about our great little poet Kazi Nazrul Islam. My dear honorable audience, Kazi Nazrul Islam is a renowned Bengali poet, writer, singer and a great musician, which is very important in our after the parents. He was a non-sectarian person, which is very important in our current situation. This philanthropy is the symbol of humanity. Was born on 24th May 1899 at Chulia in Bardhaman district. He was the second of three brothers and one sister. This legendary figure came of a very poor family. His mother's name was Kazi Fakir Ahmed and his mother's name was Janata Khatun. His father died when he was only 8 years old. He gave up his studies and became an imam of a mosque. He had to struggle throughout his life and a great devotion for motherland. He is the national poet of Bangladesh. His poem literally inspired men and women to fight against injustice. This great man left us on 29th August 1976. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good evening.
What class you study? Class 3. Class 3 বাচ্চাদের স্পিচটা ওকে দেওয়া হয় 7-8 এর স্পিচটা যার কারণে একটু সমস্যা হলো কিন্তু ভীষণ মেরিটেরিয়াস স্টুডেন্ট ভীষণ গুণী যার কারণে আমি ভাষাটা পেয়েছিলাম এবং সেটাও যেভাবে সম্ভব হয়েছে দারুণভাবে বলতে সক্ষম হয়েছে এখান থেকে যতগুলো সেন্টেন্স শিখেছে ওয়ার্ড শিখেছে ইন ফিউচারে দারুণভাবে হেল্প করবে ওর জন্য একটা জোরে হাত তালি থ্যাংক ইউ ধন্যবাদ সবার বিশ্বাসের পরে অনুভব বিশ্বাস আরেকটি বিষয় আমি অভিভাবকের দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণ করে বলতে চাইছি আপনাদের বাচ্চারা এখানে যারা স্পিচ বলবে তারা প্রত্যেকেই বলবে আমাকে অযথা বলার দরকার নেই যে আমার বাচ্চা আমার মতো না আমার মতো আমি সকলের নাম আমি ডেকে নিতে চাইছি সময় অপচয় না করে এই মুহূর্তে অনুভব বিশ্বাস তুমি তোমার মায়ের সম্পর্কে
mother is a successful housewife. She is a graduate. My mother is a blessing personality. My mother always loved to teach me and spend time with me. I love my mother very much with full respect with all my heart.
ঠিক আছে, 2-1 মিনিট তো আপনি একটু অপেক্ষা করুন, লম্বা কিন্তু নয়। অর্ক বিশ্বাস প্লিজ কাম ফরওয়ার্ড +5 অর্ক বিশ্বাস +5 রোহান নাথ রোহান শ্রীতমা সাহা রোহান নাথ আপনার শ্রীতমা সাহা শ্রীতমা বলবে ফারহান মন্ডল Rasdeep Bala, Obhik Bhai, all are requested to be ready for your beautiful speech. At this moment, Sritama Shaha, she is going to deliver a beautiful speech about our national poet.
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Sritama Shaha. I study in class 4. Now I would like to give a small speech on Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a famous Indian poet and writer and a great musician. He was born on 7th May in 1861 in Kolkata. He wrote the national anthem of our country and he also wrote the national anthem of Bangladesh. His father's name was Devendranath Tagore. His mother's name was Sharoda Devi. People called him Gurudev. He won the Nobel Prize for his Gitanjali in 1930. He was the first Asian to win it. Thank you everyone for listening to me.
Thank you very much, Sritama. Rohan Nath absent. Farhan Mandal, Rasdeep Bala, Obhik Bhai. Next photograph Shikhar, please be ready. After Obhik Bhai.
Good evening everyone. I am Obhik Bhai, a student of class 2. Rabindranath Tagore is our national poet. He wrote many stories, poems, novels, dramas, songs and many more. He also
অলরেডি আমরা অনেকের স্পিচ শুনে নিয়েছি আর একটা আর কিছু সময় আছে তাহেরপুর থেকে আমার প্রতিবন্ধী কিছু ছাত্রছাত্রী এসেছে তাদের নাচটা আমরা দেখে নিই আবার আমরা স্পিচে শিখিয়ে দেবো আপনারা চলে যাবেন না এটা একটু অন্যায় হচ্ছে ঠিক আছে
Good evening, everyone. I am Divani Vishwas, student of class UKG. Now I would like to give a small speech on Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a great poet, writer, painter, composer, and a great philosopher. He was born on 7th May in 1861 in a Bengali family in Kolkata. His pen name was Banu Singh. People call him Gurudev. He won the Nobel Prize. He established Shantiniketan School. Thank you, everyone.
সুন্দর চমৎকার আপনি গানটা রেডি করুন আমরা আরেকটা স্পিচ শুনে নেব চন্দ্রিমা রয় প্রেস কনফারেন্স বুঝতে পারছি আমাদের সকলে তারা রয়েছে আমি মাইক অনুরোধ করবো একসঙ্গে পাঁচটা মাইক সেট করতে সবাই আসবে পাঁচজন করে বলে এটা ফিনিশ করবে কেমন একসঙ্গে তো সবাইকে দেওয়া সম্ভব না আমরা প্রত্যেকে ছোট ছোট বাচ্চাগুলো রেডি হয়ে যাও ডান থেকে চলে এসো পাঁচটি মাইক্রোফোন সেট করে দিচ্ছি প্রত্যেকেই তোমরা নিজেদের মতো করে বলবে
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, good evening to the respected principal, teachers, and guidance. Myself, Jyoti. I would like a small speech on Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a great poet, painter, writer, teacher, composer. He was born on 7th May 1861 in a Bengali family in Kolkata. He wrote many stories, poems, novels, drama songs, and radio. He also wrote Indian national anthem, Amar Shura. And Bangladesh national anthem, Amar Shura. He founded a Shantiniketan school which became an university. Rabindranath Tagore became the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize 1934. Rabindranath Tagore died on 7th August 1941. His Rabindra Jayanti is celebrated on his birthday. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
Gunjan Sitar press conference Gunjan from Wondergard
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A very pleasant good evening to all of you, my dear honorable parents and my dear loving friends. After all parents meeting today, we are celebrating Rabindra Nazrul Santa. So, in this proud moment, I would like to say something about our great Nobel poet Kazi Nazrul Islam. My dear honorable audience, Kazi Nazrul Islam is a real Bengali poet, writer, singer, and a great musician. After all, he was a non-sectarian person, which is very important. Current situation is very important. Current situation. This great man was born on 24th May in 1899 at Churulia in Bardhaman district. He was the second of three brothers and one sister. This legendary figure was came of a very poor family. His father's name was Kaji Fokira Ahmed. His mother's name was Jahira Khatun. Thank you everyone. Have a listening me. Have a nice day.
জন্য আমি টিফিনের ব্যবস্থা করেছি, সেটা অবশ্য এই মুহূর্তে তো আমি একা মানুষ, দেওয়া সম্ভব হচ্ছে না। ক্লাসে তোমাদের হাতে হাতে পৌঁছে দেবো।
এখানে কেউ কারো বক্তব্য শুনবে না, নিজের ছেলেটাকে দাও, চলো।